Hi friends, welcome to Apple World. This channel is created for complete iOS application development training. Well, I am a lead software engineer for Apple products since 2010 and I am based in India. I have delivered more than 40 iOS applications so far on iTunes Store and written hundreds of blogs, articles, active member of Stack Overflow, and also delivered official training and presentations on iOS development. So these days, I have decided to share my skill and experience in this training for everyone. I will give you complete iOS training from scratch to advanced level, step by step in a very simple language. So all you need to know is basic understanding of English language and mathematics, little bit familiar with the Apple devices like how to use Mac machine and iPhone, etc. If you have fundamental knowledge of C computer programming language and object oriented programming concept, then it is wonderful. It will definitely help you. So let's start. For developing iOS application, all we need is Xcode, iOS SDK, and knowledge of Swift programming. Combining all these three, we can create great iOS applications. When you install Xcode IDE in your Mac machine, SDK is already included and Swift programming is already available in the form of Cocoa framework. So, you should know in this training what we are going to learn. Definitely, we will start by preparing our Mac machine for iOS application development environment. Then we will understand Cocoa framework, iOS software development kit setup and its architecture, and we will understand about Apple devices like iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, iWatch, Apple TV. Then we will understand Xcode. Then we will go for iPhone simulator. Simulator is nothing but a virtual iPhone. It is available for testing purpose only. So let's say if you do not have a real iPhone device in your hand while developing the application, still you can test using iPhone simulator. Then we will learn about application lifecycle and its memory management, and applications user interface widgets like buttons, progress bar, text fields, and loading bars. Also, we will design applications using design patterns like model view controller, and there are some others. We will design application using some basic animations. Also, we will do some custom animation using programming skill. And later on, we will learn auto layout for designing our UI for multiple screen sizes and orientations. In this training, I will also give you a complete knowledge of Swift programming with the simple examples. Also, we will learn about how to use camera, Google Maps or Apple Maps, and GPS, Wi-Fi, Touch ID integrating into our application. We will also create some applications which will use web services and APIs for communicating with the backend server. Later on, we will go for push notification and then transferring the data between applications or screens. Post that, we will learn how to integrate third party applications in our iOS app for authentication or there are some other purpose as per our client or customer requirement. In this training, we will create simple and advanced level applications. Also, we will look for payment gateway integrations and analytics, which will help us to understand like how many users are using our app, or like what are the functions is most popular and what is the location. Everything we check in background, it is the part of analytics. Then we will go for developer level testing and debugging using simulator as well as real iPhone device. Next step will be beta testing with the quality team and client. Now we learn everything, then we will go for Apple certification process for publishing our apps. And then we will publish our application on iTunes Store. So this will give you a complete training from beginning to professional level app development. So what is the next in chapter? We will learn Cocoa framework, iOS SDK and Xcode. Thank you. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe and share. Or if you have any question, feel free to ask. Thank you. Thank you so much.